welcome back to another video. As you see, we are still in the bathroom. We are continuing and we are gonna do the beams today. We are gonna start by locking them and sealing them. In theory, it's a sealant, so we're gonna seal them in. This also protects them against woodworms, and if there is any, it's gonna seal them in and kind of suffocate them. So that's gonna be good. We're not gonna do just the beams today. We're also gonna put the ceiling in. Well, not today, probably. We'll have to wait for them to dry, and tomorrow we're gonna put the ceiling in, but it's all gonna be in this video. But first, let's get started with the last beam, the very end one. We need to clean it. This one's we cleaned outside, if you remember, with the wire brush, but those ones, that one there is still sitting there. We need to go and clean it. So I'm gonna get the drill and quickly clean it, and then let's put a sealant on and see you tomorrow then after that. So let's get started. It's the next day. As you can see, they're nice and dry. Looks absolutely gorgeous. The end one actually came out really nice. You can really see the marks of the axe, because these are actually axed beams. They're not, you know, cut with a saw. This one's might be as well. It's really hard to tell. Yeah, it might be actually the same thing, but those are really obvious. They have big marks. They're really big logs. And the patchwork kind of looks a bit off because the color, but I think it kind of adds to the character. It looks pretty okay, and we did cover up the hole, so I think that matters. It's kind of a bit weird because the beam has a bit of an edge, and I kind of did it with the flat of the bottom of the beam, so it should be rather bitty more higher, but I think it looks perfectly fine. Let me know in the comments what you think about that patchwork that I did. And yeah, let's get on now. Put the small wood that's gonna hold up the ceiling, and this time we're actually gonna router in some beauty to it. We're kind of putting a little extra touch, so let's go measure it and go router it and bring and put it on so we can get started with the ceiling. Okay. I think either this or this, no? So the wood is on. Let's now go and clean the ceiling wood and put it on. Okay, let's get going. So as you can see, the ceiling is done and it looks absolutely gorgeous. I think it came out really beautiful this time. We really put effort in each board and made it pretty beautiful. We did have to use a planer, but the planer was a bit broken. It's planing one side more than the other, so a lot of sandpapering was needed after. But it came out a lot better. This wood was pretty hard because this one is seasoned for 3 years. So it's pretty hard to get it sandpapered just with a sandpaper really quickly. Because we did all of this in one day, of course, all the ceiling. So we kind of did it really fast. The planer really helped out. And that's gonna be it with this video. And for now, we're gonna be actually jumping around for projects. Because of the cold is coming, we have to do some other jobs first, such as the heating system needs to be sorted. We need to sort out the actual entrance door, and we have some other things such as insulation upstairs. All needs to be done. But we are going to be adding lights in here, lights into the storage room, and then adding insulation as well. But that's going to be it for today. We hope you enjoyed. We're going to see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Hopefully we're gonna see you soon back in the bathroom, since we want to get it all done before
Before Christmas.
Well, that's for sure.
I come out now?